Welcome to our channel, where we tackle everyday challenges with practical solutions. Today we're diving into a hot topic, literally. Before we jump into the great AC debate, let's take a quick look at a video sent in by one of our viewers. Here's Jane from Florida, showing just how her summer's been going with her quirky, barely functional AC. Thanks for sharing, Jane. Now let's explore whether it's time for a fix or a full replacement. Stick around as we cool down the complexities of air conditioning. We've all been there. Summer's blazing and your AC decides to throw a tantrum. It's chugging along but barely keeping up. You're sweating, wondering if it's just a hiccup or the beginning of the end. Sound familiar?
This is the classic AC dilemma: to fix or to replace. It's a tough call, full of pros and cons on both sides. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it.
Let's dive in and find a solution that'll have you relaxing in cool comfort in no time.
First things first, what's wrong with your current AC? Is it a minor issue or something more serious?
A quick checkup from a trusted technician can give you the answers you need.
If it's a simple fix, like a refrigerant leak or a busted fan motor, then repairing might be the way to go. It's often the cheaper option in the short term, and a good technician can have you chilling out again quickly.
But what if it's something bigger? A compressor on its last legs? A system that's constantly breaking down? These are signs that replacement might be the better choice.
Let's talk money. Repairing your current AC can save you money up front.
But remember, those costs can add up if you're constantly calling for repairs.
A brand new AC unit, while a bigger investment initially, offers long-term savings. Think lower energy bills and fewer repair headaches. Plus, newer models are packed with energy-efficient features, saving you even more.
Don't just look at the sticker price. Factor in potential future repairs and energy savings when making your decision.
Cost is important, but it's not the only factor. Think about your AC's age. If it's over 10 years old, it's probably nearing the end of its life. Replacing it now could save you from unexpected breakdowns in the future. Consider your comfort too. Is your old AC struggling to keep up with the heat? A new high-efficiency unit can provide consistent, cool comfort throughout your home. So repair or replace? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on your specific situation. If your AC is relatively new and the problem is minor, repairing is likely the best option. But if it's old, inefficient, and constantly acting up, replacing it might be the smarter choice in the long run. Talk to your trusted air conditioning guy's HVAC professional. We can assess your current system, discuss your needs, and help you make the right decision for your home and budget. Making a decision about your AC can feel overwhelming, but with a little information and expert advice from your AC guys, you can find the perfect solution. Remember, it's about more than just cost. Consider your long-term needs, energy efficiency, and the overall comfort of your home. Take a deep breath, make an informed choice, and get ready to enjoy a cool, comfortable summer.